So this video is to show you how to use Dochub to complete today's lesson, this sheet, Common Types of Learning Disorders. So once you have opened the link, it'll take you to Dochub. And in order to type on this, you're going to click the blue Log In button here. And then where it says Log In with Google, you're going to click on that button. It'll take you to the sign in page where you'll enter your email address and your password for your Google account here at school. After you've entered your email address and your password, it'll take you to this page right here. Now you're logged in with your account. So in order to be able to type on this, it's just like a Google Doc where if this isn't yours, you can't type on it initially. So you're going to come up here and click on Actions. You're going to click on the menu bar up here. Hover your mouse over Actions and then click on Make a Copy. And your email address will be here. You don't have to do anything with this. All you have to do is click Create a Copy. And it will make it so that this is your individual copy. You'll see up here, Copy of Common Learning Disorders, and you can start to type on all of the fields here in this PDF document. If you want, you can come up here and change it to your name, Common Learning Disorders, either way. So you'll just type your answers to each of the different parts. You can see this is all on the same page. Put your name there. And that's how you're going to type on this document. So in order to share this with me when you are done, you've answered all of the questions, it's also very similar to a Google Doc. So there's the download or export if you wanted to download this onto your computer, the share or send, and then the menu bar up here as well. So if you click on share or send, you could do the get shareable link. That means that you would get a link just like when you do a Google Doc, and then I could just click on that link and see it. So that's one way to do it. Click on the link, copy it, and then paste it into the Google Classroom. Another thing that you can do is send it in an email. That's a little bit trickier, so I'd rather you just get the shareable link. You could also save it onto your computer, download it onto your computer, and then upload it into the Google Classroom. But the easiest way to do it is just to click on the share button, get the shareable link here, and put that on the Google Classroom for me to be able to see your work when you're all done with it. If you have any questions about using Dochub or how to complete this assignment, please just let me know.